Powerplay, Umar Amin, 28 years of age, power hitter. Has hit many a sixes. Good strike rate of a ball in place. Fine leg and third man on the boundary. Oh, and that's going to be four. First ball, no swing.
Works for Multan Sultan's left arm pace.
That's better. So he's adjusted. Always will get bounced, but looking at that pitch, I don't...
Difficult.
Just hesitant with that good length delivery. There is... Oh, so he's just not quite getting it right. He might be just going down the right side of the ball there, Irfan. That's in the air for a little way. You can see when he's brought on the front foot, he's just a little bit cautious. Good running. Excellent rotation of strike over runs, Shane Watson. So he hasn't mucked around. Respects that delivery, but gets off the mark. Off the last ball of the over, it's 11. Tanvir, ball in hand, and another wide. This is what hurts coaching staffs. That's a good adjustment. Geez, it's rocketing. Watson facing the left-hander. Well, that's a beautiful shot, but it goes straight to the fieldsman.
To the onside.
It's good bowling. Just looks like that short, good length.
Stance, and then he shifts, and then he becomes, side on. That didn't rise too much.
Yeah, he gets into a square position, though, as the...
It goes just straight down the pitch. That's a hook shot. He's nailed that one. The white Kookaburra ball flying early. Puller and hooker of the ball. Gee, that's rocketing off the bat. It looks good here for the batsman today. It's a catching position in the circle. Now, Umar deciding anything remotely short that he's going to would force him to hit through the covers. Goes short. Good running. And that's with cover and cover point just being a little bit...
Can be on the front foot and not be worried about the short ball.
Yeah, when I was coach at the Australian...
He's found a little bit of that now.
Inside edge.
Anything short here, Shane Watson. Well bowled.
His record in Asia is not bad at all in T20 cricket.
And that's the end of the third over. It's 25 from Quetta. Oh, that's a beautiful sound, didn't it? They got a packed field, though.
But that didn't get underway.
But they didn't lose.
Didn't lose.
Won the toss, batted, and didn't lose. Bowling and chasing in the second innings of the match.
Oh, no, they're as boring as Taylor.
Actually, I'll take that.
I don't want to surpass the dollar.
Good man.
This could be out. Third man takes it. I'll say reasonably comfortable in the end. Mohammed, and you reckon he'll get 100 on debut?
Oh, look at him go.
Was that your trademark shot opening up, just opening up the face?
As an onside.
Bowled in through the gate. The doorway to departure. Bowled into first ball. Junaid. Almost 16 overs left in this innings. Once again, the ball just skidding, just keeping
way towards square leg on mid-wicket.
Well bowled. Junaid, though, the bowler, what a bonus. Wicket first ball. Get. Good line. I really like that line. Go to his left with an inside edge or an in-swinger. No, that's excellent bowling here. Plenty of dot balls and a wicket. Pressure. Geez, that's good whippage from about middle and off stump. Good over from Junaid Khan after.
Right, change of bowling. We got Imran Tahir on here now. We saw the pitch turning yesterday. They're sponsored by my bank, Buzzard.
Even for Danny. Alan's very generous like this.
The problem here for Sarfraz will be that he's very... Well, good-looking shot. Over extra it goes. Oh, dear. That's given the keeper no chance at all.